Go. Hydroponic Eagle, CD Gaming. Yeah, I'm going to show off all of our horses. Some of them might be taxed, some of them may not. We are going to decide on a new club horse. It could be her horse or my horse. We're going to announce something about the club, and we're going to do some quests. So let's start off with the two horses that Mary wants, and 2 horses that could be the club horse. So she's gonna go view them while I get ready for my stable. That can also do the Piaffe, which is your dressage horse. So, yeah. I bought a new horse. Yeah, so I'm looking at Mary's horse, Blue Angel. Your favorite horse? Oh yeah. She's equipped a cat with it. That's cute. Oh no, I'm stuck! I'm in here! Yeah, Bridger's over there. Okay, and then wait, you can check. He's level 10. Okay, he's level 10, guys. Not wait. This is Mary's first Yorvik wild horse. That's Candy Bullet. That's her starter horse. So this has like spider gear on, I'm guessing. So that has spider gear on. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I don't even think I have that. Okay, this is our current club horse. I have this too. He's Brinkle. This is Brinkle. That's the Yorvik Wild Horse for Christmas. Well, one of them. This is Opal Cake. This is my personal favorite of hers. It's a trachea, I'm pretty sure. You can correct me if I said that wrong. It's actually got tag. This is my horse. This is Raven King. He's my brand new horse that I just got. So it's pretty cool. You don't need to know about that yet, so I'm gonna keep going down. Oh, this is Ocean Star. So this is an exclusive North Swedish horse. It is blue, which is kind of cool. It's like blue hair, but it's not a York Wilders. So that was exclusive. You can't get it anymore. This one down here. Oh, I like this one. This one's also one of mine. So this is Cherry Blossom. It's tax removed right now, but I actually really like this horse. I couldn't get one though. Yeah, we'll do that later. Okay, so the next one is, this is the, I need to know, okay, what is this? Yeah, I don't know what it is, but I do know that, so it does this cool, yeah, so, yeah, that's Desert Beauty, and then her last horse is, okay, that's just me. Doesn't have a name, just. So, this is Luna Cloud. This is her horse that she's been using a lot of time. Alright, so that was hers. I'm gonna go to mine and invite her so you guys can all see. Because I can't. I could, but I'm not going to. And that's her pet, Miss Fox. Now that would be cool if you could name your pets. So while we're waiting, we're gonna announce a surprise. There's a new leader for the club owner, and that is me. Partly because a bunch of people left, and that was kind of sad. But we're gonna recruit a bunch of people, and we're gonna take it to the next level. We got a dressage team. You actually can see our dressage horse. You can see already saw our club attack. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Yeah, this is mine. Hi guys. So I'm gonna take another tour, but I'm gonna use Mary because you guys can see with her. So I'm Mary, by the way. So this is my first ever horse. This is Gold Dancer, my starter horse. This is Sapphire Star, which is my club horse. Got the club tack on. This is Scarlet Dust, which is my Connemara. Yeah, I love this one. Then I have my Raspberry Mist. Yeah, she's pretty cool too. This is Galaxy Frost. I put tack on it like just now. This is Diamond Dash. So that's its saddle. I like the saddle. It's a pretty good saddle. This is Dark Feather. This is my dressage horse. This is also the club dressage horse. Yeah, she's pretty cool. This is Pepperhead. Yeah. I really like this horse. It's a really good horse. Once again, this is Audrey Pony Eagle. Okay, this is Silent Night. So I actually made it night as in K, but so it's the second Christmas. It's also an Andalusian, so I actually have 3 Andalusians, none of which I can change their hair. This is my Nab Strapper. You guys already saw it. It's pretty good. I just bought it. So. This is my 3rd horse. This is Copper Rocket. It's another Frisian. This is Sapphire Spell, my pony. You can't actually get this pony anymore, so you can't get that one. This is Wonder Star. Wonder Star is super cool because he's always got this like thing on him. It's a Zoni, but it's like the new one. Okay, this is North Feather. This is my Lusitano, fully dressed, and then that's Crescent Beauty. And that's Supernova. So I got both of the Yorvik Wild horses. So, yeah. So I'm gonna say, I think my favorite's either gonna be this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one. So I have 16 horses in total. Which is a lot. There, you got 4 minutes left. I don't know. Yeah, race. Okay, sure. I'll get out a horse that I want. Okay, we're gonna do a race. Is it cared for? No, it's not. Alright, let's go do a race. So, yeah. Okay. So, we're going to be doing the Moorland race. This is pretty fast because it's healed. It's like happy, so. I can't get experience for this thing, so that's kind of sad. But yeah, for this race that we're doing. But I could beat my. Did I beat it? Alright, we're gonna try that again. We're gonna do So the group members coming close. We are going to do the race again. Okay. I really like this horse. Yeah. Mine's I'm gonna cafe into the finish. I am going into the finish. Yep, I just cafe into the finish. Okay, cool. So that was our video.